Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Richland 2 District. Meron ngayong distribution ng bag and some school supply. So, if you have kids, please go here. So, dito sa Fashion Drive sa Richland 2. Dito kami, nakapila kami. Ang haba ng pila. Ayan. So, dun pa yung nandito kami sa likuran. Dito yung start ng line sa likod na sobrang haba. Okay? So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung makukuha natin. Okay? So mga kabayan, from Richland 2, you go here, lalo kung if you have kids, look at them. I have 3 kids, so punta kayo dito. Okay? Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Richland 2 District. So, namimigay sila ng bag at school supply. So, they're giving bags and school supply for the kids. Okay? So, in Florence, we don't have this. So, it's good we're here in Richland 2. There is a school supply and bag, no? So look at them. We're too many here, parents and kiddos. So we're here to get some stuff. Say hi to them, Ani. How about you? Ali, you say hi to them. You say hi. Say hi. Ilala. Oh, imagine the superintendent of the district driving for some kids to go to the line. Nakakatuwa naman ang superintendent dito, no? She's very active and I think she's so intelligent. She have lots of good idea, especially during our orientation and in the class opening. I'm so happy that I belong here. So, andun yung superintendent nasa dulo. So, he's riding in a MTB vehicles. What's that? MTV vehicles like that. So then, kaya pala maraming mga police. So that's why there are many police here because the superintendent is around in the area. She's wearing a yellow shirt. Okay, so if you saw a yellow shirt driving on MTV, that is the superintendent. I haven't videoed the superintendent. So she's there at the back. She went in the back. So, okay. So later I'm going to upload some other thing. Okay. So eto yung mga nakuha ni Ami. Tapos kay Aliyah yung gitna. Ayan. Si Sheena. Ayan. Ang dami niya rin nakuha. So these are the giveaway of Richland 2. Okay guys, you say thank you Richland 2.
Thank you Richland 2 for giveaway.
Giveaway.